Hi guys, today we talk about OnePlus Ace 3 Pro versus Oppo Find X7 Ultra. The OnePlus Ace 3 Pro launched on June 2024. The price tag is $500. The Oppo Find X7 Ultra launched on January 2024. The price tag is $999. The dimensions of OnePlus Ace 3 Pro: height 6.4 inch, width 2.96 inch, thickness 8.9 mm. The Oppo Find X7 Ultra: height 6.4 inch, width 3 inch, thickness 9.2 mm. The weight: OnePlus Ace 3 Pro 225 gram, Oppo Find X7 Ultra weight 223 gram. The build: front and back glass and aluminium frame in OnePlus Ace 3 and Oppo Find X7 Ultra. The both mobile come with dual SIM nano SIM card support. The display: OnePlus Ace 3 Pro come with LTPO AMOLED 1 billion color screen type, and the same Oppo Find X7 Ultra come with LTPO AMOLED 1 billion color screen type. The OnePlus Ace 3 Pro come with 6.78 inches screen size, and the Oppo Find X7 Ultra come with 6.82 inches screen size. The resolution of OnePlus Ace 3 Pro is 1.5K, and the Oppo Find X7 Ultra come with 2K screen resolution. The PPI density of Oppo Find X7 Ultra is 510, and the OnePlus Ace 3 Pro come with 450 PPI density. The refresh rate is same in both devices, 120Hz, and the screen to body ratio OnePlus Ace 3 Pro come with 90.9%, and the Oppo Find X7 Ultra 91.3% screen to body ratio. The both devices come with Gorilla Glass Victus 2 screen protection. The OnePlus Ace 3 Pro come with 4500 nits peak of brightness, and the Oppo Find X7 Ultra come with 4500 nits peak of brightness. The camera setup of OnePlus Ace 3 Pro: it's come with triple camera setup. The main sensor is 50 megapixel wide, 8 megapixel ultra wide, and 2 megapixel micro with dual LED flash HDR panorama, and it records 4K 60fps video. The Oppo Find X7 Ultra come with quad camera setup. The main sensor is 50 megapixel wide, 50 megapixel ultra wide, 50 megapixel periscope telephoto with 2x optical zoom, and an other periscope telephoto 50 megapixel with 6x optical zoom with Hasselblad color calibration and dual LED flash HDR panorama, and it's record 8K 30fps video. The selfie camera of the device is the Oppo Find X7 Ultra come with 32 megapixel with 4K 30fps video record, and the OnePlus Ace 3 Pro come with 16 megapixel selfie camera with 1080p 30fps video record. The platform: the OnePlus Ace 3 Pro and the Oppo Find X7 Ultra come with octa-core Cortex with X4 with 3.3 GHz, and the chipset is Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 4nm in both devices. GPU is same Adreno 750, and it's come with Android 14 operating system. The OnePlus Ace 3 Pro and the Oppo Find X7 Ultra come with ColorOS 14. The memory setup of OnePlus Ace 3 and Oppo Find X7 Ultra: the OnePlus Ace 3 Pro come with 12 GB, 16 GB and 24 GB of RAM, and the Oppo Find X7 Ultra come with 12 GB and 16 GB of RAM. And the internal storage: OnePlus Ace 3 Pro come with 256 GB, 512 GB and 1 TB, and the same Oppo Find X7 Ultra 256 GB, 512 GB and 1 TB. No SD card, no nano memory card support in these mobiles. The battery backup of OnePlus Ace 3 Pro is 6100 mAh battery, and the Oppo Find X7 Ultra come with 5000 mAh battery. OnePlus Ace 3 Pro and the Oppo Find X7 Ultra support 100-watt fast charging, and the Oppo Find X7 Ultra support 50-watt wireless charging. The OnePlus Ace 3 Pro could not support wireless charging, and the both devices come with 5G networking. The commons and the features: the OnePlus Ace 3 Pro have Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, NFC infrared port, Type-C 3.1, fingerprint under display, UFS 4.0, and IP65 dust and water resistant. The Oppo Find X7 Ultra come with Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, NFC SOS system via satellites, calls and messages, infrared port, Type-C 3.1, fingerprint under display, UFS 4.0, IP68, and many more. And the result of these devices: OnePlus Ace 3 Pro got 21 points, and the Oppo Find X7 Ultra got 24 points.